here you should connect your cable, and this is the 0 line. Fire.
然后打开机器电源。
Open the power.
回电机器，全部回电。你们回电完成，告诉他。
Now, all the axis is go to the original position.
这边 X 加，
First, the X.
拍下机器。X 加，告诉他。
Now the X down.
Y 加。
Y up.
然后 Y 减。
Y down.
然后 Z。
Z up.
然后 V 加。
Z up.
可以。然后这地方有一个周期周停。
Here is the spindle on or up. Now the rotary is rotated. The spindle. Now the spindle is
停啊，停。可以了。然后他就开始接水泵。
接。Now take the water pump and connect it. This tube is for the spindle.
直接放里边。
No. Yeah, one is connect water pump, and another one is put on it. That's okay. Now change the tool. Yeah. Now the set tool is over.
然后就对倒，弓箭眼睛这些。
Now we find the simple original position.
随便放个位置吧。对方到位置，然后 XY 清零。XY。
Now the X and Y return to 0.
Z。
Now the axis to 0.
插入看。
Insert the U disc.
然后点击运行。
And run it.
选择 U 盘。
Click the U disc.
然后选择要加工的文件。
And choose which the field you want to process.
确定。
And then confirm. OK. Click OK.
然后设置加工速度。
Then set the work speed.
设置空程速度。
Set the fast speed.
然后设置加工倍率。
and then set the speed skew.
知道吗？设置完，然后点确定。
No. Now the machine is working. Now we use the two sensor.
菜单
Menu
这些
and the spin on off. Now it's okay.